If you are remodeling a modern kitchen in Cape Coral, one of the biggest finish decisions you'll make is the countertop. But the best countertop is not just the one that looks good in a showroom. It has to work with your cabinets, backsplash, sink, lighting, flooring, and the way your family actually uses the kitchen. In this video, we'll compare quartz, granite, and marble, explain what each material is best for, and help you understand when you need a countertop installer versus a full kitchen remodeling contractor. Countertops are one of the most visible and heavily used parts of the kitchen. They affect food prep, cleaning, entertaining, and how appliances and sinks fit into the space. Countertops also determine sink cutouts, island overhangs, seam placement, and what edge profiles are possible. Because of that, countertop choice should be coordinated with cabinetry, backsplash, flooring, and your overall remodel plan. Quartz is often the easiest place to start for modern kitchens because it is non-porous and low maintenance. It does not need sealing and offers strong resistance to many common household stains. Quartz is available in consistent colors and patterns, which works well for modern clean looks and light cabinets. It's a good choice for busy kitchens where low routine maintenance matters. Quartz comes in subtle tones and stone look designs so you can get a modern or natural appearance, but quartz is not damage-proof, so use cutting boards, trivets, and protect sink and dishwasher edges from impact. Granite is worth considering when you want genuine natural variation and unique slab character. Every granite slab has different mineral patterns and movement, so the slab you choose matters. Granite can work well in active kitchens, but some stones may need periodic sealing depending on porosity. Don't pick granite from a tiny sample alone. Always ask to see the actual slab before fabrication. Marble is usually chosen for one reason: its appearance and distinctive veining. But marble requires more care and is more susceptible to etching from acidic foods and cleaners. Marble develops natural wear and patina over time, which some homeowners embrace and others do not. Choose marble if you want the veining to be the centerpiece and you accept higher maintenance needs. Beyond material, the right countertop depends on cabinets, backsplash, sink, lighting, and flooring choices. Decide early whether you're doing a countertop-only update or a full kitchen remodel, because that affects fabrication and layout. If you're only replacing counters, an experienced countertop installer can handle templating and installation. If cabinets, lighting, or plumbing are changing, hire a full kitchen remodeling contractor who coordinates all trades. For Cape Coral homeowners, consider humidity, coastal light, and the way you entertain when choosing finishes. In most modern kitchens I build, quartz is the strongest, all-around choice for a clean look and low maintenance. But if you want a natural, one-of-a-kind surface, look at full granite slabs in person. And pick marble only if you love the veining and accept extra care and occasional repair or honing. When in doubt, bring your cabinet sample, backsplash tile, and flooring swatch to the slab yard or showroom. If you want help choosing and coordinating finishes for a Cape Coral remodel, Schooner Bay Builders can walk you through options and show slabs in person. Thanks for watching, and contact us if you want a site visit, material review, or a quote for your modern kitchen project.